Yes.
Indeed.
Yes.
Dr. Yadav, as a medical professional, as a medical practitioner, how would you approach the concept and philosophy of yoga in your professional sphere or domain?
Yeah. So, as you just said, the theme for this year, International Day of Yoga, is Yoga for Self and Society. And the very important point here is, the definition of health. The definition of health says, health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, not merely the absence of disease. So, here the three important points are, it's a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Physical, physical means our physical body, mental means our mental health, and important is the society, the social. And at All India Institute of Medical Sciences and many different hospitals and medical colleges, we always used to think how we can achieve this, because it includes the whole society, that is the health.
So when was the foundation of this laid, if you could also tell us that, of the interplay between medicine and yoga, and how has it built upon it, especially
Yes.
AIMS?
Yeah, that's a very good question. The AIMS was established in 1956, and truly speaking, when I was going through the research which were done at the AIMS, what I observed was the first research publication in the field of yoga was in 1960s, and that was that was by the directions from the parliament. At that time it was said that the yoga is our Indian legacy. So why don't we do the research, the scientific research with evidence based? And that's how I think it started. And the first publication what I can observe, I could observe, is that it was in 1960s about some yogis, and there we have tried to, or the researchers at that time, they tried to find out how the brain behaves. And that time basically EEG recording, different electrodes are put on the scalp, and then recording of the brain activity during meditation in a yogi. That was done in 1960s and it was published there.
What was found in it?
Yeah, that is a good question. What was found in those days, because the recording was very simple, and but still it was found that when we do the meditation, the brain, or simply you can say overall, we relax. And that there are different types of waves, like alpha waves, beta waves, theta waves, and so on. So by observing these waves, the change in the waves, it was observed that during the meditation, the brain relaxes.
Now, Yoga Guru Bijay Lakshmi Hosa, for the benefit of viewers joining us from India and around